Hello humans. So by watching the thumbnail you must be thinking,
What? What the fuck?
But it is real. You can make a nuclear reactor at home with simple household materials. But please do not try this at home. Because you can mix some uranium and neutron and because you're gonna suffer from nuclear radiations, which can cause cancer. Oh sorry, not this one. So it can cause cancer. You can also be dead. That's not my problem, it's your problems. So welcome to Steven's Kitchen. So, before starting the video, maybe I should start the intro. Because it is. So, have you thought in an atom? How does two proton and proton live together? In a nucleus because proton and proton repel each other. You must be thinking intermolecular forces. But
No.
because of strong nuclear forces, bitch. Or you can say that in a nucleus proton and proton talk with each other.
Hey, please be away from me, or I will get coronavirus from you. Fuck off.
But the strong nuclear force them to stay with each other. But there is a certain limit. In higher elements the number of protons is too much. So the nucleus cannot handle too much of repulsive force. And so the element decays into low-key elements like krypton and boron, and kick out 3 more neutron from the nucleus. Or in other words,
Thank you, Thomas.
and ta-da! Your nuclear reaction is ready. But how to make in home? So welcome to Steven's Kitchen. So the first thing you want is thorium. So remember your old granny. Gas lanterns, yes, this one, and those gas lanterns have burning filament. Oh sorry not this one, but this one. Just take it out and burn it with lithium present in batteries. You just made a element name as,
And his name is John C.
no, it's thorium. Now you will want a neutron gun which fires high-speed neutrons so you can kill Thanos. Ha ha ha. Just kidding. So to make a neutron gun, you will want a lead cube and americium from smoke detectors. Please the americium I'm in the lead cube and cover it with aluminium foil. Now americium, lead and aluminium will react and throw neutron. Or in other words, now you will want an radioactive element called radium. So to find radium you will want active insulation chromatic ionic dispersion reactor.
No.
Just kidding. Just buy it online. Now just make some thorium, radium and americium in aluminium foil and cover it with charcoal. Yes, we did it.
Your time is up, my time is now. You can't see me, my time is now. It's the franchise where I'm shining now. You can't see me, my time is now.
So, you have just created a nuclear reactor. Now place the neutron gun in front of the aluminium foil and boom.